What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to draw a Lewis structure for RnCl2. RnCl2 is radon dichloride. First thing we need to do, we need to find out the available valence electrons. Electrons are 8 for radon, and we have 2 chlorine, 2 times 7. It's going to be 8 plus 14, which will be 22 electrons. We need to use radon as the middle element, and we have 2 surrounding elements which are chlorine. Then we need to place 2 dots between 2 atoms representing the single covalent bond. So each 2 dots represents one single covalent bond, and then we need to place pair of the remaining valence electrons as lone pairs on the surrounding atoms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you see here, now chlorine follows octet rule. So let's see how many still available electrons we have. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 8 times 2 16. So 22 minus 16, we still have 6 more electrons. These 6 more electrons, we're just gonna place it for radon. That's actually Rn. So we have Rn, single bond, and then we place 3 lone pairs on radon. So that's and we have no more electrons because we use these 6 electrons. That's the Lewis structure for radon dichloride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.